You found what you've been looking for in this lovely property. This property is represented by Andrea Settlemyer. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in this spacious 3,100 square foot property. To arrange a time to stop by and view this property, or if you would like more information, please contact Andrea Settlemyer at 303-710-3120. That's 303-710-3120. Thank you for your interest in this property and enjoy the presentation tour.